Yo, what's happening? You know, this is for all of you out there. I don't want you to be average, okay? Nobody wants you to be average. But there's that voice, that's in your head, and you got two of them, like they're sitting here, right? Two? Yeah. And those voices tend to tell you that you're average. So when you think of something, because a thought comes to you, it's kind of like they call it a 6-second or a 5-second window where this thought comes into your mind and you do something. If you do the action right now, then you're off and you're going. But if you don't, the other side of the average guy starts popping out and he's going, you can't really do that. You're just average. You've never done it before. It's not like you're really good at learning. Come on. And then if you keep it up, he'll get louder. Or she'll get louder, depending on, where you're at with your voices. Usually I think guys have just voices, but if you talk about it, it's a he. And if she has them, it's a she, right? Okay, let's go on. Stop listening to them. The only reason they're there is because you were brought up thinking that. Get rid of that stinking freaking thinking. Work on positivity. Later.